Hello students, today we shall teach you relations and functions class 12. So let's start. In this video we shall tell functions and its types. Functions. What is the definition of functions? A function is a special type of relation in which every element of the domain is connected with one and only one element of the codomain. One input can have only one output. A function maps each element of the domain to exactly one element of the codomain. Easy example, let a equal to under the curly bracket 1, 2, 3. This is domain. This set is domain. The set B equal to 2, 4 and 6. This is codomain. Define fx equal to 2x. Then f1 is equal to 2, f2 is equal to 4, f3 is equal to 6. Since every element of A has exactly one image in B, this is a function. Now, types of functions. In this segment, we will study about types of functions. First is one-one function. This is also called injective. Its definition is a function is called one-one if different inputs have different outputs. Easy rule: different input, different output. Example: fx is equal to x plus 2. We will draw a table forming x and fx. Put the value of x as 1. Fx, that is equal to x plus 2, will be 3. Take the value of x as 2. Value of fx is equal to x plus 2 will be 4. Take the value of x as 3. Value of fx, that is x plus 2, will be 5. No two inputs have the same output. Therefore, it is a one-one function. Second, many-one function. A function is called many-one if two or more different inputs have the same output. Easy rule: different input, same output. Example: fx is equal to x square. We will draw a table for x and fx. Take the value of x as minus 2. Value of fx equal to x square will be 4. Take the value of x as 2. The value of fx equal to x square will be 4. Both minus 2 and 2 give the same output. Therefore, it is a many-one function. Third is on-to function. This is also called surjective. A function is called on-to if every element of the codomain has at least one pre-image in the domain. Easy rule: every output is used. Example: domain equal to set of 1, 2 and 3. Codomain 2, 4 and 6. fx is equal to 2x. Images are 1 belongs to 2, 2 belongs to 4, 3 belongs to 6. All elements of the codomain are used. Therefore, it is an onto function. Fourth is into function. A function is called into if at least one element of the codomain is not an image of any element of the domain. Example, domain is the set of 1 and 2. Codomain is equal to 2, 4 and 6. Fx is 2x. Images are 1 belongs to 2, 2 belongs to 4. The element 6 is never used. Therefore, it is an into function. Fifth, bijective function, that is also called 1, 1 and onto function. A function is called bijective if it is both 1, 1 and onto. Easy rule: different inputs give different outputs. Every element of the codomain is used. Example, domain is the set of elements 1, 2 and 3. Codomain is the set of elements 4, 5 and 6. Fx is equal to x plus 3. We will make a table for x and fx. Put the value of x as 1. Value of fx equal to x plus 3 will be 4. Put the value of x as 2. The value of fx is equal to x plus 3 will be 5. Put the value of x as 3. The value of fx is equal to x plus 3 will be 6. All outputs are different and every element of the codomain is used. Therefore, it is a bijective function. Solve example 1. Check whether the function is 1, 1 or many 1. Given fx is equal to 3x plus 2, where set A is composed of elements 1, 2 and 3. Step 1. Find the images. F1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2, that will be 5. F2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2, that will be 8. F3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 2, that will be 11. Step 2. Make the table for x and fx equal to 3x plus 2. Put the value of x as 1. Value of fx will be 5. Put the value of x as 2. Value of fx will be 8. Put the value of x as 3. Value of fx will be 11. Step 3. Observe the outputs. All the outputs are different. Final answer will be the function is 1, 1, that is injective. Solve example 2. Check whether the function is onto. Given codomain is the set composed of elements 1, 2 and 3. Codomain 2, 4 and 6. Fx is equal to 2x. This is the function defined. Step 1. Find the images. F1 is equal to 2, F2 is equal to 4, F3 is equal to 6. Step 2. Compare the codomain and range. Codomain is the set composed of the elements 2, 4 and 6. Range is the set composed of the elements 2, 4 and 6. Both are the same. Final answer will be the function is onto, that is also called surjective. Solve example 3. Check whether the function is bijective. Given domain is the set of the elements 1, 2 and 3. Codomain is the set composed of the elements 3, 4 and 5. Fx is x plus 2. Step 1. Find the images. F1 is equal to 3, F2 is equal to 4, F3 is equal to 5. Step 2. Check 1, 1. Different inputs give different outputs, so the function is 1, 1. Step 3. Check on 2. Every element of the codomain 3, 4 and 5 is used, so the function is on 2. Final answer will be, since the function is 1, 1 and on 2, it is a bijective function. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.